Understanding keto. Why these foods? The ketogenic diet is high in fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. The goal is to shift your body from using glucose carbs for energy to burning fat for fuel. This process is called ketosis, where your liver converts fat into ketones, an alternative energy source for the brain and body. To stay in ketosis, you need to eat specific foods that support fat burning while avoiding those that spike blood sugar. Let's break down exactly what you should eat and why. 1. Healthy fats, the primary fuel for ketosis. Since fats make up 70 to 80% of your total daily calories on keto, choosing healthy sources is crucial. Best sources of healthy fats and their benefits. Avocados and avocado oil. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which support heart health, reduce inflammation, and provide fiber that helps digestion. Avocado oil is great for high-heat cooking because it has a high smoke point. Olive oil, a powerful antioxidant-rich fat that protects against heart disease and reduces inflammation. It's ideal for salad dressings, drizzling over food, or cooking at low heat. Coconut oil and MCT oil. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides MCTs, which are quickly absorbed and converted into ketones, providing fast energy. MCT oil is even more concentrated and is perfect for boosting ketone production. Butter and ghee. Grass-fed butter is packed with butyrate, a fatty acid that supports gut health and reduces inflammation. Ghee clarified butter removes lactose, making it easier to digest for those sensitive to dairy. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are high in healthy fats, fiber, and micronutrients. They also provide omega-3 south, which support brain function and reduce inflammation. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, trout. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve brain health, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Omega-3 south also balance the omega-6 fatty acids that are more common in processed foods. Why healthy fats matter on keto. Fats provide long-lasting energy, keep you satiated, and help your body stay in ketosis. The right fats protect your heart, support brain function, and reduce cravings. 2. High-quality proteins, essential for muscle and metabolism. Keto is not a high-protein diet, but you still need moderate protein to preserve muscle mass, support the immune system, and provide essential amino acids. Best sources of protein on keto. Grass-fed beef, higher in omega-3 south, CLA conjugated linoleic acid, and vitamin B12, making it superior to grain-fed beef. Poultry, chicken, and turkey, a lean protein source. Opt for skin-on chicken to increase fat intake. Eggs, a perfect keto food. They contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, and choline, which supports brain function. Eat whole eggs for maximum nutrition. Pork, bacon, and pork chops. Pork is rich in B vitamins, and nitrate-free bacon is a great fat source. Fish and seafood. Salmon, sardines, and trout are high in healthy fats and low in carbs. Shellfish, shrimp, crab, lobster, oysters, mussels packed with minerals like zinc, iodine, and selenium, which support thyroid health and metabolism. Why protein matters on keto. Prevents muscle loss, supports metabolism and fat burning, keeps you full longer, provides essential nutrients. 3. Low-carb vegetables, the key to micronutrients and fiber. While keto is low in carbs, it's not a no-carb diet. Long-starchy vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber without spiking blood sugar. Best keto vegetables and their benefits. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, lettuce, high in magnesium, potassium, and iron, supporting energy and muscle function. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, rich in fiber and antioxidants, help detox the liver and improve digestion. Zucchini and eggplant, low in carbs and versatile for keto pasta alternatives. Asparagus and green beans, good for gut health and digestion. Mushrooms, packed with antioxidants and help improve immune function. Bell peppers in moderation, high in vitamin C and low in carbs. Cucumbers and celery, hydrating and almost zero carbs. Why low-carb vegetables matter. Provide fiber to support gut health. Deliver essential vitamins and minerals. Help reduce inflammation. 4. Full-fat dairy, a keto staple if you tolerate it. Dairy is optional, but full-fat versions are best on keto. Best keto dairy foods. Heavy cream, great for coffee, keto desserts, and sauces. Full-fat cheese cheddar, mozzarella, brie, goat cheese, blue cheese, high in fat, protein, and calcium. Greek yogurt unsweetened, a good source of probiotics, which support digestion. Sour cream and cream cheese, ideal for dips and keto-friendly sauces. Butter and ghee, nutrient-dense fats. Why dairy matters on keto. High in fat to keep you in ketosis. Rich in calcium and probiotics. Adds flavor and variety to meals. 5. Keto-friendly beverages, stay hydrated. Hydration is crucial for energy levels and preventing keto flu. Best keto drinks. Water, always the best choice. Add electrolytes for hydration. Coffee and tea without sugar, boosts metabolism and provides antioxidants. Bone broth, loaded with minerals and electrolytes, preventing keto flu. Sparkling water, a sugar-free alternative to soda. Nut milk, unsweetened almond, coconut, macadamia milk, great dairy alternatives. 6. Keto sweeteners, if you need a sweet fix. Stevia, 0 calories, doesn't spike blood sugar. Erythritol and monk fruit, natural and keto-friendly. Allulose, tastes just like sugar, but with 0 impact on blood sugar. Final tips for keto success. Plan your meals. Meal prepping prevents slip-ups. Track your macros. Keep carbs under 50 grams per day to stay in ketosis. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Read labels. Hidden sugars can kick you out of ketosis. That's everything you should eat on keto to fuel your body, lose weight, and feel amazing. If this was helpful, drop a keto power in the comments. Like and subscribe for more keto tips.